Can salmon be eaten rare or medium rare?
Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing an interesting question. Can salmon be eaten rare or medium rare like beef, or does it need to be fully cooked? If you're a seafood lover or someone who enjoys experimenting with different cooking techniques, this is an important topic to explore. So, let's dive right in.
Understanding salmon.
To understand whether salmon can be eaten rare or medium rare, it's crucial to have some background knowledge about this popular fish. Salmon is a type of fatty fish that's known for its rich flavor and delicate texture. It's packed with healthy omega-3 fatty acids, which make it a nutritious choice for many people.
The importance of cooking fish.
When it comes to cooking fish, there are certain factors to consider. One of the primary concerns is food safety. Fish, including salmon, can harbor harmful bacteria and parasites that can cause foodborne illnesses if not properly cooked. Cooking fish thoroughly helps to eliminate these potential health risks.
Cooking salmon to ensure safety.
Unlike beef, salmon is not typically consumed rare or medium rare. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, recommends cooking salmon to an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius. This ensures that any harmful bacteria or parasites present in the fish are killed.
Benefits of fully cooked salmon.
Fully cooking salmon offers several advantages. First and foremost, it ensures the safety of the dish, protecting you from potential foodborne illnesses. Additionally, cooking salmon thoroughly helps to break down its proteins, making it easier to digest. It also brings out the natural flavors of the fish and gives it a flaky texture that many people find appealing.
Alternative cooking methods.
If you're looking for alternative cooking methods that retain some of the salmon's moisture and tenderness without compromising food safety, there are a few options. Poaching, steaming, and baking are popular techniques that can help you achieve a tender and juicy result while still cooking the fish thoroughly. These methods ensure that the salmon reaches the recommended internal temperature while preserving its delicate qualities. To sum it up, while some meats like beef can be enjoyed rare or medium rare, it's generally recommended to fully cook salmon for both safety and optimal taste. Remember that fully cooking salmon eliminates potential health risks associated with consuming undercooked fish. However, there are alternative cooking methods that can help you achieve a moist and tender texture while still ensuring the fish is thoroughly cooked. We hope this video has provided you with valuable information on cooking salmon. If you have any further questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.